Alright, we're back, and we're better, and we're back, and we're better, and we're back. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, as you can see, we are currently in my dorm room. I have been here for about a month. I've been here for about a month. I attend University of Buffalo. I am a media studies major with a concentration in film production. It sounds so fancy when I say it out loud. Yeah, so it's been a minute since I last uploaded, and I apologize for that, but I have been busy, kind of. People make fun of me on campus because they say like media studies is really easy. Kind of is, but at the same time, like, don't expose me like that. But we are here, we are back, and today we're going to do a quick get ready with me. It is currently 7:01 in the evening, and we are going to do a get ready with me because guess what? There is no reason to not get ready, so we are going to get ready for absolutely no reason. I've been trying to like experiment with my setup because like it's difficult setting yourself up in a room that like you're not accustomed to, because I do have one side of the room, the other side is my roommate's, this is my side, and if you see me looking down there, it's because I have my viewfinder down there. Like, not viewfinder, it's like a monitor, so I have the camera hooked up to my laptop and I can see like myself, so I can see like what, you know, what you guys are seeing, but I keep going like this, like to the camera and back, and it looks like funny, so I apologize. And like my desk is over there, which is where I usually do my makeup. Like I'll have my mirror on the desk and like I'll do it, but we're doing our makeup in front of the camera. We're going to be utilizing this cute little, very dirty mirror. Oh look, you can see yourselves. Say hi. Very dirty. Oof, should I clean this? I don't have time. My battery might die in the middle of this. We don't want that.
My battery might die in the middle of this. We don't want that.
Going to apply my foundation. Nice little spray bottle. I like to moisten my face before I apply foundation, just to give myself a little bit more like moisture. You know, moisture. So we're just gonna. And I used to use beauty blenders, but for some reason I started using brushes like these. They're like flat on the top, and I prefer it a lot better to beauty blenders, only because I get a lot more product on my face, like a lot more coverage because of the flat like top, so it spreads a lot easier. But when I'm done like applying the foundation all over my face, I go back in with a beauty blender just so I can have like the consistency like nice and even on, like I have it applied evenly all over my face. So that's just like my normal like routine. We're throwing around foundation. We need to savor every ounce of this because we be running out. So let me show you out. Cute. I just don't want to get like foundation on my hair. I look so funny right now. Children, remember to blend down to your neck. This is like my summer color, and like I'm not like as white as I usually am in the winter right now, but I am getting there. I am getting a lot paler, so this color doesn't match perfectly. But listen, we broke out here. Makeup is expensive, so we gonna work with what we got. Again. Now we're going to go in. Oh, I didn't even tell you what foundation I was using. I feel like I didn't do this. My last video was like a speed through, so like there wasn't really much talking, even though I talk a lot. So for my foundation, I used the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I don't know if you can see that. I'm not going to focus it because that is a lot of work. Born This Way foundation. In the shade Natural Beige. So yeah, this is a little bit darker than my normal skin, but the contour. The concealer is going to lighten that up for us so that we can contour after. So we're just gonna... I feel like I'm getting... That's another thing I hate about doing my makeup, because, okay, here's the tea. So I used to wear glasses when I've been wearing glasses since I was in the 1st grade. So ever since the 1st grade, I have been 4-eyed, wear glasses all the time. Like, I really, really needed them because I'm legally blind, very legally blind. And so when I first started getting into makeup, which was my freshman year of high school, it was the biggest pain in the ass because I could not, like, I would have to take off my glasses in order to do my makeup because you would have to get this whole area, and my glasses were really big, so they really blocked this area off. So I'm over here doing my makeup blind, right? And so it got to a point where I was playing so many sports and doing my makeup that I felt the need to opt out of wearing glasses and to invest in some contacts because I would break my glasses regularly. I would have to get a new pair, which became expensive. So me and my mother decided that it would be a smarter idea to just get some contacts. Even with the contacts, it's still annoying because if I were to like do this, right, and I look into my makeup brush and I accidentally touch my makeup brush to my eyeball, which happens to us sometimes, I will get foundation or concealer on my contact. So it'll be like a little smudge. Like, you know, windshield wipers, right? And so like when you have windshield, like if a bug flies on it, you kind of just wipe it off.
It's kind of like that. My contact is like the windshield, and the foundation is like the bug, so it's like on there.
And like I can't see, so I'd have to remove my contact, clean it, and then put it back on because I literally cannot see. So there is literally debris in my eyeballs right now. But we're gonna keep it rolling. We're just gonna keep it moving because with my luck, this camera will die, even though I charge the battery.
Because with my luck, this camera will die. Even though I charge the battery.
So now that I've contoured this part of my face, I also like to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer, and I want to put a little onto my jawline. So I already do sort of have a I have a defined jawline, more defined than others. But I do like to accentuate it with the contour so that it pops out a little bit more, it's a little bit more defined. Because as you can see, right, I haven't contoured yet, but like I have a nice little jawline going on here. But the contour helps to define it, make it look a little bit more pronounced, you know? So I just like... Okay, now that we've blended out our contour, we are going to bake and do the brows. Go in. So for my baking powder, I like to use the Airspun Loose Face Powder, which is this, which is dropping all over my floor. So this is what it looks like. I remember when I first started... No, I didn't. Oh. I remember when I first started doing makeup, I did not know what baking was. I never baked. So for my eyebrows, I like to use the Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Granite because my hair is very dark. I debate if it's dark brown or if it's black because it is very, very dark. In the light, it looks like dark brown, but like right now it looks black. This is my natural hair color, so I just like to, I prefer to use a more darker, like a black eyebrow thing and just not go too intense with it, kind of layer it on very lightly. Because when I used to do my eyebrows, when I first started doing them, I did them so thick. Insert picture here. Embarrassing. Embarrassing. But as I got more consistent with doing my makeup and as I like watched more videos and just practiced, I got better at it, at making my brows look a little bit more natural. I'm just gonna back up here and we're just going to go in. I'm unsure of how I feel about this eyebrow. So we're just gonna... I'm shaking. Why am I shaking? Am I hungry? I think I'm hungry. It's shaking for me. Ah! So now we're just gonna blend out the concealer. We're just gonna blend out the concealer. Okay, so now that this is done, I'm going to take a powder brush and I'm just going to wipe away all of the baking, all of the powder. Ooh, look at that nice base. The nice, it's so nice and clean. Ooh, look at that contour. Ooh, talk to me. Nice, talk to me nice. Raven, say hi to the camera.
Bye.
Bye, Raven. Love you.
Video.
So we're gonna go in with the James Charles X Morphe palette because who doesn't use this damn palette? Everyone and their mother uses this damn palette. I am everyone and their mother. Alright, so now that we have our eye look done, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my lashes on. So my camera died, lashes are on, mascara is on, and now we're the last part of my makeup routine. So we're just gonna go in with some blush. So I'm just gonna go in with some blush. So I like to use the e.l.f. Modern Metals palette, and I'm gonna dip into this middle color right here. So I'm gonna tap into that. I'm just going to now that our blush is all applied, we are going to finally go in with our highlighter. So I like to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Sugar Kit. I have had this kit for a little while now, but I literally love it so much. Anastasia never goes wrong with their highlight palettes. I don't know if you can, but like, just show you. Like I use, oh, not that one. I use this one the most. So we're just gonna dip into that. And that is the finished look. Let's add some gloss, let's set it, and look at the final product. Alright, so that is the final look. That took a minute. That took a lot of breaks. I had to I literally had to stop recording 3 times because my battery died 3 times. Had to charge it and then get back into shooting. So what time is it? What time did we start? But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I cannot wait to film more videos just like this one. This was supposed to be an everyday look, but it kind of turned into a more calm going out, like it turned more into a calm going out type of look. So I hope you guys like it. I really like it. I am loving the browns and the glitter. Like, I cannot wait to film another video for you guys. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and tune into my next video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.